So I want to talk about the difference between scientifically saying something can't be true and scientifically saying something probably isn't true. I recently made a video on negative mass, and people asked why I think there's a possibility that negative mass can be out there, but I push so hard against people saying that one day we'll move faster than light. Well, first I want to say, science never says never, like ever. Never or can't just means something different when you're speaking scientifically. Like, if something is a scientific impossibility, what it means is that all our scientific knowledge right now points to that being the case. All our observations show that it is not true, and in fact, multiple observations show that it can't be true. And there's that word can't that I need to explain. If we were to move faster than light, all of our understanding of a lot of our science would have to be rewritten. Like, that would mean gravity doesn't work the way we think it does. That would mean basic motion doesn't work the way we think it does. That would mean lots of our technology, which is based on that, like clocks and GPS, are working, but are working due to assumptions we've made that were wrong. That would mean all the calculations that we've ever done for space travel are wrong. Everything we do on the ISS, wrong. It would mean all the astronomical data that we got from every probe and every telescope we've ever sent into space is wrong. So, like, science never says no, but in this case, science is saying quote-unquote no, because no stands for, if this were true, everything we knew up until this point is wrong. All of the calculations that we've been doing that have been working are wrong, and we will have to fundamentally rethink everything that we know about space-time. In a way that somehow still makes our old calculations work even though they're wrong, and makes all our old observations valid even though they're wrong. Like, it would cause our entire scientific knowledge base, starting from physics and building up to chemistry and biology and everything else, to just fall apart. So when we say something can't happen, like you can't move faster than light, what we're saying is that if it were to be shown that you can move faster than light, it would change so much that so far has been proven to be true that the chance of that happening is like infinitesimally small. But negative mass, even though it's like a weird-ass magical material, it fits perfectly well into our mathematical model of the universe. Physicists don't say negative mass can't exist, they say it would be absurd if it did. Because nothing about it breaks the laws of physics, nothing about it will make us question all our observations. But it will do weird, magical type stuff, like getting colder when you add energy to it, or pushing things away with gravity instead of pulling them towards it. And you could use it to make, like, really fantastical super science devices. That all falls perfectly in line with our scientific model, whereas moving faster than light does not.